Am I live? I don't think I've been live. I think I've been talking. I'm just now live. Oh God. I think that we had some kind of issue there. How long have I been live? I've been talking for like 15 minutes. I thought I was live the whole time. I was telling you guys the secrets of life and nobody heard it. Nobody heard the secrets. Whoopsies. Whoopsies. What's good? What's poppin'? What's poppin'? It's Friday. We're gonna see if, you know, can we get some action here? End of day. You never know. A little power hour? A little power hour session? Make a little money? Have a little bit of fun? Party, drink Bacardi, baby. It's Friday. Right now, the NASDAQ holding up here at the 18,000s. Very tight in that channel there. Where will she go next? Dollar's kind of pushing up. NASDAQ's trying to like push up here. Ugh. We could get a little breaky break. A little breaky breakout. One of these little... What's happening right now? I just hate buying into all that resistance right there. Like that. See, that's what I don't want to see happen. If you would have bought that breakout, it got denied right there. So trying to stay out of that. I don't want none of that happening. I don't want none of that to be happening. If y'all want to check on the McLaren, it's still there. It hasn't been repossessed yet. It has not been repossessed just yet. Oh, look at that. I was right to not try to buy that there on the NASDAQ, that breakout. Look at that thing. Nice to not to avoid that. So what did I do today? Today, did some work, recorded some stuff, made a little bit of money, trying to make some more money. So right now on the NASDAQ, just in this range here, end of day. I feel like we're gonna get a kind of a move here end of day for some reason. It's just been the market's been real quiet here. NASDAQ back down once again. We're just sitting back here, waiting and seeing what we can do here. So the NASDAQ up here at the highs. We still have not pushed up there to the 18,049 area when we had those numbers come out. So we had some numbers come out there earlier. The market did not like those numbers, and 10 o'clock numbers, we crashed back down, we ripped back up. So I mean, we got this going on. So we're back to the previous quarter low there. Previous quarter low, so this is the 5-minute chart currently. 5-minute chart. I mean, it could really go either way here, I'd say, huh? Look at the 15-minute chart now. We've been consolidating here at the 18,000s. I feel like there's maybe some type of weight in the idea of pulling back to the VWAP here on this overall flat day at the end of the day on the QQQ. So VWAP right now 434, you know, that would put us probably back to that pivot point on the NASDAQ. So VWAP right there. Where's the VWAP on the NASDAQ actually? All I wanna do is take you home to baby. Where did my VWAP at? Can't find my VWAP. I got too many charts, not enough VWAPs, man. Where the fuck did the VWAP go? So right now we're holding up here at this support level, 18,000s. Dollar looking weak. I'm gonna jump in on a long here. It's Fresh Cash Friday, baby. And basically just keep my stop down here below the 18,000s. I think we can look for a push back up to the top of that range again, and then maybe get a breakout continuation up to the 18,040s here. So let's see what happens, boys. Anything could happen. This is not financial advice. Don't follow me. I'm just an idiot on the internet. Oh, man. Looking good so far. We stay above that 18,000 area. I think we're looking good. Can need that dollar right now. I got the dollar in my peripheral vision here. I got the dollar over there. Yeah, the dollar's looking good for a sell down here. So dollar moving down end of day. NASDAQ's gonna move up. The ES is gonna move up. It's gonna happen, baby. Right now the ES, right at a pivot point on the ES. The Dow. Yeah. Just got to get out of here. This 18,000 area is supporting right now. We got this 15-minute support there. I hate these kind of trades. And you're just like, you're not confident, man. I'm feeling it, but I'm seeing things I don't like as well. So that's trading sometimes, my friends. The boat is sick. I agree. Real sick. Real sick. So we are currently long here on the NASDAQ. We are up about $1,000 there for a minute, or 500, 600 bucks for a minute. You must submit to time. Submit to the time. With you. Oh. Favorite fish to catch? Probably a sailfish. Sailfish, baby. Oh god, this new chair that I got, it's like, it kind of like has too much pushback. Like I don't know how to make it less pushbacky. It's like too much pressure. Like I really got, like my back's like getting, maybe because my back is sitting actually like better with posture. I got better posture, so now my back's hurting. That's why, probably. Thomas said it's going down, LOL. Okay. Thanks. Thank you for the support, Thomas. Thank you for talking, Thomas. Now the market is going up. Thomas, let's go, buddy. Keep it. Keep shorting it, Thomas. Keep shorting it, Thomas. I shouldn't get too cocky. It's not let's get through the 20s before I get too excited. The dollar is moving down here. The NASDAQ, the ES, both trying to push up. The ES right now the ES is sitting right there at the pivot point. This is looking good. Ooh. Looking good, Thomas. Looking good, Thomas. Trying to get this push through the 20s here. Trying to lock in $1,000. I might try to lock in a little bit right here. We have been in this like chop channel, but see if we can lock in some more as we push up. Try to get that push. Come on, baby. WWW Tanya. Oh, come on. Tanya Trades, watching my channel. I'll teach you how to trade. Tanya's coming to Florida again. That's the word on the street. The rumor. The big timer. Big time YouTube live streamer gonna come to Florida to hang out with me because, you know, my YouTube views are going downhill, down. So I got to get them up. I need Tanya's help. I need the Simpsons. Don't you want somebody to love? Somebody to love. I'm gonna become a DJ maybe. I can just stand up on the stage, you know, at the rave, and just like play my playlist on YouTube. I got it all figured out. I'm gonna make a video of Tanya driving the McLaren. She's gonna crash it. Luckily she's rich. She can pay for it. Do you even know how to drive, Tanya? Do you have a license? Do people in New York, do they drive? I thought people in New York only ride the bus and the subway. Words of wisdom owns you. What do you mean he owns me? Owns what? What's he owning me in? Being fat and bald or what? Living, I don't know. Cool, dude. He owns me. I'm gonna lock in a little bit more profit here, you know, because I like getting paid on a Friday. You know how we do. Ooh, want somebody to love. This is live, baby. Like I said, it's pushing up. Gave out the plan with you guys. We're locking in profit as we go. Up over $1,000 on the trade right now. If you want somebody to love, put your hands in the air like you just don't care. We're on a roller coaster. Roller coaster. Roller coaster. Oh! It's going to be a good time. I got a really fun weekend planned, actually. I got three blondes coming down to go fishing tomorrow. I don't know how I get myself in these situations, but Somehow I do. It's a dangerous life that I live, but someone's got to do it. Is this a green screen? Yes. So, just watch. See? It's not real. It's not real. It's not real. It's all fake. None of it's real. Fucking asshole. I was in a trade here. Now I'm losing money. All right, I'm gonna get out there for break even. I don't want to go. I don't want to go. It's range in here. It's just range in here, people. We can always jump back in. I got out there for break even, locked in a little bit, but was looking for that move up into here. Pull back for now. So, whatever. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Now it's gonna bounce back up. Tanya got some fans in the chat. Tanya trades with the fans today. We got 30 more minutes here. 30 more minutes until the 350 algorithm kicks in. Was kind of talking about the VWAP on the QQQ being kind of maybe a draw to end of day, kind of just like chopping back into here, but we'll see what happens. You never know. It's going to dump. I mean, it looks like it's gonna dump as of now, but that's why I got out of it. That 18,000 area is going to be a key level. 18,000s. Fucking Thomas. Fucked me. Thomas got me. Jinxed me. It's going down. Oh, fuck you, Thomas. Go fuck yourself, Thomas. All right, go fuck yourself. I mean, the only problem right now is the dollar just is not really looking too bullish. I think, you know, I don't know. The Dow's selling down. ES is selling down. Gonna chop around here now. Thomas made 1,000. Wow! Congratulations to Thomas. Anybody that comments in the chat puts printing, banned for life. You can give me a feeling. 15-minute chart right now, trying to get this move down. We start selling through the 18,000s, looking juicy to the downside. Maybe move down there quickly to the 80s through this support there, 17,090.99. So get that break right on down to the 88s. I think my dollar chart is like frozen or something. What is going on right now with the dollar? No, it's not frozen. My computer's frozen through the 18,000s now, moving down there. 90.95s. Will this be the trap? Uh-oh. Now they're gonna squeeze it back up. 350 algorithm, end of day here. Let's see what happens. Oh. 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 Squeezing it. They're squeezing it again. Woo. The Bulls. The Bears. Going to the moon. Back up there to the 15s again. The ES right now at a pivot point, 57s, tapping at 57s. End of day here. I got the 350 algorithm coming up. You haven't experienced the 350 algorithm. You haven't experienced life, my friends. Just stay tuned. I'm about to give you the top secret concept here. Oh yeah, it's coming. You haven't heard about the 350 algorithm? Oh buddy, go ahead and insert $20 to find out. Just kidding. Just hit the like button. That's all you got to do. Hit the like button. Show some love. Help me love you. Ooh. 15-minute candle back up. Look at that thing. Looking trappy. Woo. What are y'all doing this weekend? Who's partying? Who's not? Raise your hand if you're partying. Raise your hand if you're having a good time. I see a lot of hands in the air like I just don't care. I like to see it. I wish I could see you people out there. All you beautiful people watching right now, watching your screens, talking some crazy guy in front of a green screen. You're like just sitting in your house right now watching some guy on the internet in front of a green screen. Who would have thought? What a crazy world we live in today. Right now, the NASDAQ 15-minute chart, end of day. We got the 350 algorithm coming up. Can we get the break to the upside? This thing get running. Ding, 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 ding. Pwee, 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 pwee. Too much Red Bull. Keep it out of me. Don't let me drink the Red Bull. It gets me crazy. The dollar just popped up. ES NASDAQ running into kind of this trend line resistance. So this is kind of a moment of time. They got to get this run. If they're going to pop this, they need to break it out here because this is looking like if it can't go there, it's going down there. So it's kind of like needs to cut through there. All right, NASDAQ having trouble getting through that overall downtrend there on the 2-minute chart for now. Just basically consolidating at this level. We should get a nice move here at 350, hopefully. In theory. The ES is like just right at a pivot point right now. ES at that pivot point. NASDAQ trying to get this kind of key level breakout here. We get this like through the 15s and start to kind of, you know, start breaking out of this downward trend. Dollar again kind of snapping back. So end of day, leaning towards that bullish idea. GHF is short 4 ES and short 3 NASDAQ. Well, GHS, I'm long 7 NASDAQ. It works every time. Just kidding. But it looks good. NASDAQ again getting stuck there at the trend line. Another 2-minute candle opening up here. Trouble in paradise. Dollar bouncing. Dollar still pushing up here. ES, NASDAQ, everything just kind of going sideways for now. NASDAQ trying to hold up here, boys. Woo! We've got 7 minutes here until the 350 algorithm. I'm going to show you guys how to make millions and millions of dollars with the 350 algorithm. All you need to do is go ahead and hit that like button. All right. For free. Dollar for some reason is just like doing some weird big, I don't know what it's doing right now. Dollar is kind of like chopping back up now. Do I think next week's gonna be choppy? Probably. I mean, it's probably gonna be choppy for a while, to be honest. They say that what do they say? Sell in May and go away. Summertime, kind of choppy action. I feel like, I don't know. These glasses have like so much like. All right, we're waiting for that 5 minutes. 5 minutes here till the 350 algorithm. See what happens here end of day. Will we get a move end of day? We've been consolidating just in this sideways momentum now for what? The last 2 hours. So looking to see if we can get out of this channel here. Kind of got one of these going on right now. Little wedgy. So I think if we get back above that 810 level, we should start to get this breakout here. If we can break out there. If we start to lose this support, obviously to the downside is the more obvious. I don't know about obvious, but the more feasible idea, the more feasible idea here end of day. We got the VWAP down there on the QQQ. That's what I was looking at earlier. Kind of this idea of just kind of pulling back into the VWAP end of day, but just gotta be patient. Right now, there's no power in this hour. Right now, NASDAQ moving down here. We bounced pretty strong earlier off this level. Will they do it again? Uh-oh. Chris trades. Why does TradingView have delayed prices versus NinjaTrader? You got to pay for the data, probably. NASDAQ back to the lows. Dollar again moving back down. Oh God. Oh God. If I escape. We got 2 minutes here until the 350 algorithm's gonna kick in and something's gonna happen here. Seconds, baby. End of day, power hour. 350 algorithm kicking in here. Oof. Is this the big sell-off here, end of day? Back to the VWAP we were thinking about. Let's see, 350 algorithm turning on here. Watching this 90 level here. Just chopping around now. Wow. The world is going on here. Chopped it back up there to the 18,000s again. You know, just rip this thing up. So much for the $1 million trade at 350. Didn't work today. I was gonna stick it right at 18,000 here. Oh God. Ripping it back up here now. This is fun. They're trying to push this up to that trend line again. Still not able to break out there. Can we break out here? Woo! It's still going. Hitting that trend line once again. Look at that thing. Back to the 18,001. Look at that fucking candle that they had just popped up there. It was a really amazing candle. At the 18,000 support for now. Oh, baby Jesus. It's Friday, then Sunday, Saturday, Monday, Tuesday. Oh, God. I don't know, boys. I don't know if the market knows where it's going. Not today, they said 18,000s. That's where we're closing at. Amazing, actually. All right. Well, that was not so eventful. End of day power hour session. So there it is. If you guys haven't already tuned in already, hit that subscribe button, the like button. I will see you guys next week, Monday. Mega Money Mondays. I'm out of here. Fuck this. Peace to the Middle East.